Hey, what you got? Are you walking? How in the world can you walk in those boots? Are those mommy's shoes?
Yes.
Yes? Oh, don't fall. This is so funny. What are you doing?
This.
Yeah? Come here. Ooh. Come here. What are you doing?
The ball.
I don't know. You looking at your big fat belly? Is that funny? Yay! Look at you. Are you in mommy's shoes?
Yes.
Yeah? Are those shoes? Oh, look how big you are. Oh, yeah. Shoe?
Yes.
Shoes?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Oh. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Do you get my other shoe? You can bring it to mommy? Are you going to wear it?
No, she's going to take the long way.
What are you doing with the shoe? Oh, that's hot sauce. No, don't touch that. Good girl. You're so good. You're so good. So big. Oh, is that stinky? Smell it. Can you smell the shoe? Is it stinky? Don't be nasty just because you can't get your foot in.
Still recording?
Yeah. Stop. Stop. There you go. There. Say thank you. Mm-hmm. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? You want the other boot?